Hey guys, this is Profane Gamer here, and today we're going to be doing a meme review, just like PewDiePie. So these are the memes that basically defined 2017. And I suppose we're going to be starting off with The Way. So, my brothers, do you know The Way, the Ugandan Knuckles? Comment down below if you know The Way or the Ugandan Knuckles. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first meme is this red guy, okay? So he's a thumbnail of one of PewDiePie's videos. Obviously, it's one of maybe like a Sonic or some sort. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So I think we'll be getting on with our first meme. One does not simply kick the way out of the community. The committee, sorry. No, this one isn't so funny, but, they combine two memes, and that's what they call meme mashup, or meme mashup, I don't know. Okay, so on the left side we have The Way, and then Huawei, they make fun of this Chinese company. It's called Huawei. You might want to look that one up, guys. Do you know The Way, brother? Not sure if I never used my time efficiently or just time just stops in front of The Way. The Way is God. You must worship The Way. Do you know The Way? Sell everything, normies are coming. Oh, this one never gets old. Alright, so that's the original figure. Ugandan warrior. So I'm gonna look that up for a quick. Ugandan warrior. Well then. That's how the first The Way started. Alright, so let's go. Do you know The Way? Your God is dead. Swiss. I will show you The Way. You will freeze. Click, 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 click. Ooh, nice meme. Alright, the second one we're going to be doing is Big Shaq. Latingo Skra. Alright, so I'm just gonna look for something that's only. Alright, so I believe we have it, so we're gonna shut off the background music for a second. Let's go.
Sauce. Raw sauce. Boom. Yo. God. The thing goes grrrr. Skitty keep pop pop. And the poop poop boom boom. Skia. Boom boom. Boom boom. You don't know. Big Shaq. Yo. Yeah. Alright.
So that has been a big meme throughout the years. I'm gonna put back on the PewDiePie background music because it is God. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, just click the Profane Gamer 7879 in this channel and be sure to subscribe. We have 152 on the 153rd. Be that one. And please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Help us get to 5,000 views. We are currently sitting around 3,500. And, well, I guess I'm gonna do some shoutouts now. Shout out to iRage. Subscribe to iRage. And subscribe to Bob Ector. I know I had some beef earlier, but I know that's all solved. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the gamer fam. Bye guys.